Hi guys, so today I'm just going to give a quick shading tip on this glass texture on Blender 2.9. So this is just like a glimpse of what we're going to be doing. We're going to use cycles for this, and we're just going to use monkey mesh. So I'll just open a new Blender file. Yeah, I've opened a new file here, yeah. So now we're just gonna add a plane, Shift A mesh plane S10, and yeah. So we've got plane, and now let's just add a mesh monkey, Shift A mesh monkey, and do it like this. You can use any mesh you want. I just like the monkey mesh. Just rotate it a bit, bring it down. Just play with the transform settings. Yeah. So you have a monkey mesh. You can do whatever you want in edit mode. I'm just going to go right into shading. So we're in shading view, and we're just going to add a new material. And before you do that, just go to the camera view completely. Just switch from Eevee to cycles. And then once you do that, just delete the principal node, and then Shift A, add a glass node. After you add a glass node, add a volume absorption node. This is the one that actually properly gives the color of the glass and how it works. So just plug the volume into the volume, and you've got it. Yay! So now make it any color you want. I'm going to make it pink. Go to render view. You can't see anything, so because there's no lighting. So I'm going to add Shift A light area, G, Z, and let's bring it up like that. Some more, and I'm going to give the 1000, and I like the lighting here. So now I'm just going to add a camera. Control Alt 0 on your numpad. If you don't have a numpad, just press N, just press N, and then use the view tool, and then go to lock camera to view, and then you can bring it like any way you want. You can bring it like that. Yeah, and you have this. So you can use any mesh you want, and this is just it. And then you're done, just render image, and then it will finish rendering, and then you got a glass texture. So there you go, guys. If you like this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be uploading videos a lot from now on, and I'm going to add some more future tutorials. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.